Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Weld County in northeastern Colorado, northwestern Logan County in northeastern Colorado until 3:45 p.m. At 2:56 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of West Plains, or 18 miles south of Kimball, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly